welcome back to my channel, and I hope you guys are doing great. Long time no see, right? So today I'm back finally with a chit chat kind of video. So today is not going to be any makeup tutorial, and yes, this is the first video which will be a chit chat kind of video in 2021. So you must have guessed it right by the title that today's video is going to be a review. You can better say that it's about a hair care range which has been recently launched in India. So no doubt those of you who followed me on my Instagram already, you guys know that Saint Botanica has launched their new Go hair care range, and they have sent me their Go Strong range, which includes their Go Strong shampoo as well as conditioner. So today I'm going to share my experience as well as the details about these products, and also there will be a giveaway at the end of the video, so stay tuned and please continue watching. We will be moving to the review. So first I'll be starting with the packaging. So they have come with this kind of red tube packaging, as you can see. So both the shampoo and conditioner comes with a golden cap, which makes it very easy to dispense the product when you are squeezing the tube, and both of them makes it very travel friendly wherever you are traveling. Throw it to your bag and you are good to go, and you are getting this kind of packaging, which is a very thumbs up from my side. Now the price of these two products are $3.99, same as conditioner and the shampoo, and you are getting 200 ml of product in each tube. So both of the shampoo as well as the conditioner, especially the Go Strong range, contains the bamboo extract, methi extract as well as ginger extract. Also they contain all the essential oils from the plant, which will make your hair more stronger as well as give that particular nourishment to your roots, so that your hair fall will stop in a very short span of time. Previously also I have reviewed so many Saint Botanica products, and you guys know that their products are very nice. They are SLS free, paraben free as well as cruelty free, and all the sulfate chemicals free, and they are completely made with natural ingredients, which make them more way from my side. Now move on to a very particular ingredient of these two products, which are Manjistha extract. Now this is a product which will actually help you to prevent your hair from graying. That is, it will stop the aging of your hair. Not only that, it will give extra elasticity to your hair as well as makes them very less fragile. You guys know the texture is very important thing to notice in case of shampoo and conditioner. As I noticed is that their shampoo is very rich, creamy and thin. You need generous amount of the product to blend, and I will always suggest to use a shampoo with mixing with water. It never be harsh on your hair as well, and the conditioner smells like heaven, and it's very creamy in texture, and love the way it looks like and makes my hair very silky, soft as well as strong. Move on to the how to use part. You need generous amount of the product. You just have to apply it through your hair, and it foams really well, and it's really great. After that, wash your hair followed by the Go Strong conditioner. As you can see that I am just after the hair wash, and my hair looks more shiny, as well as it gives that extra flow as well as extra volume to my hair, which I really love. That's it for today's video, and that's it for today's review. Now move on to the giveaway part. Now for the giveaway part, you have to follow Devatrita Beauty as well as Saint Botanica Instagram page, and tag 3 friends and share your dance moves with the particular hashtag which will be mentioned in the screen right now. The best exciting part is that 25 winners will be chosen by Saint Botanica. Overall, they will be receiving a very good hamper from Saint Botanica. So yes, why are you waiting? Just go to the Instagram and take part in the giveaway. So that's it for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and make sure to give it a big fat thumbs up. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Press the bell button beside the subscribe button so that you never miss out any of my future videos. With that note, this is me Devajita signing off for the day. See you guys real soon with brand new video. Until next time, bye. Take care, stay happy and stay healthy. Happy and prosperous new year to you guys, because it's already the end of January and we are moving towards February and lots of things to do. So yes, stay blessed and stay happy. Bye.